Good morning. I'm Brad Allen. I'm VP of Commerce at RGA. When I first met Remy and Pramod, it was very obvious that they had deep expertise in machine learning and natural language processing. But what impressed me much more was their broader understanding of the commerce space and the trends that are really going to shape this industry going forward. It's more clear than ever that providing amazing customer service is going to be incredibly important for brands and retailers. The challenge, at least digitally, is how to do this at scale. I believe that Agent Q has a solution that will meet this challenge in the near future. So without further ado, it's my distinct pleasure to introduce to you Pramod Thimaiya, who is the co-founder of Agent Q.
Hello, everyone. My name is Pramod Thimaiya, co-founder of Agent Q, and we're an AI-powered chat platform for sales and customer service. Every year, over $40 billion is lost due to bad customer service. And this is due to the fact that existing tools are built for the past, namely email and phone. However, your customers are increasingly shifting to using chat and messaging. And the problem is, users expect response times that are 100 times faster than what they expected with email. Existing tools just can't keep up, and a purely manual approach won't work. So how can AI help? We've assembled a team from the top research universities and companies, including Harvard, Cornell, Yale, and Google. And we analyzed thousands of customer interactions to see how AI can be best applied to solving this problem. We looked at messages such as, what's your return policy? Or do you have any dressers on sale? Or someone hacked into my account. And what you'll notice is that these vary a lot in how complex and difficult they are to resolve. But what's really interesting is that complexity and frequency have a very strong relationship. Namely, that simple things, like what's your return policy, are also very frequent. Moderately complex things, like do you have any dressers on sale, are moderately frequent. And then really complicated things, like someone hacked into my account, are infrequent. Now, AI is well equipped for dealing with that head of that distribution. There's a lot of training data, and AI can become very accurate in responding to these types of inquiries. However, for the same reasons, it's not going to be good at handling the tail of this distribution. There's not enough data for the AI to be able to train on this. On the flip side, humans are really good at thinking on their feet and dealing with these one-off scenarios. But as we mentioned earlier, humans can be hard to scale and costly to use for these frequent interactions. Agent Q's approach is to seamlessly blend AI and humans to get the best of both worlds. Concretely, what we've done is we've built a platform where your human representatives can interact with your customers across a variety of chat channels, including SMS, on-site chat, and Facebook Messenger. And Agent Q's AI technologies work in the background to greatly augment and increase the productivity and efficiency of your human representatives. Let's go through a few examples to see how this works in practice. So first, that simple example we talked about earlier. What's your return policy? The Agent Q AI has seen this example, or a variant of this question, many times over, and is very confident in what's going on and can fire off a response instantly without any human intervention, greatly reducing the caseload for your human representatives. Going to that second example of a product inquiry. I want a short dresser with at least 6 drawers that's less than $1,000. This fairly complex natural language product search is something Agent Q can handle. It searches over your product catalog and finds the relevant products to surface to your representatives in a rich media format with images, price info, and other metadata. Now, your agents can send a product card like this with one click so that your customers have a much better experience. And then finally, we have this complicated interaction of someone hacked into my account. Here, Agent Q realizes, hey, this is above my pay grade. I'm going to take a step back and let the human resolve this. Now, how does this all work? At the core of it, we have a pre-trained AI model which allows us to structure and understand raw natural language. And from there, we feed into it your data. And by that, your product catalog, your FAQs, and your historical customer interactions. And what's important to note here is because we use a pre-trained core to our system, we don't need a lot of data from you to make this effective. Now, combining these two pieces, we're able to generate responses that match your brand language and let you interact with your customers the way you want. And finally, the best part, Agent Q is continuously learning. Because we built our platform with AI and machine learning from the ground up, we're structuring and analyzing how your agents are responding to customers, allowing the AI to expand the scope of what it can handle over time. Now, why does this matter? As I alluded to earlier, speed is critical for delivering a great customer experience on chat and messaging. In fact, just a 30-second decrease in response times leads to 25% fewer dissatisfied customers. And quality. Quality is also really extremely important. So those rich product cards that I showed earlier lead to a 63% increase in conversion rates over sending simple blue links. We're really excited to be building the future of customer service. We'd love to chat with anybody who's interested in working with us. Please come see us at the reception to see Agent Q in action. Thank you.